Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best BMX seat on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Bikeroo Men's Padded Bicycle Saddle. Can't bear the painful rides coming from your current BMX seat anymore? If yes, here's another comfy BMX seat you might be interested in. It features an anatomically supportive and comfortable design that perfectly distributes pressure from your back across its surface, instantly eliminating the sit bone pain. This Bikeroo unique saddle features a narrow design, soft padding, and a deep center cutout. These make it a highly ergonomic seat that conforms to a man's unique anatomy. And this goes a long way in relieving your pressure points in the sensitive areas, so you can start enjoying longer rides without worries of experiencing soreness, chafing, and pain afterward. Another reason that makes this saddle a suitable replacement for your BMX bike is that it's built to last a lifetime. It features high-quality foam padding, synthetic leather, and stainless steel rails that enable it to withstand rigorous BMXing environments. You'll appreciate that the manufacturer sends you this saddle in a complete package, with everything you need to mount it on your BMX, including an easy-to-follow user manual. Number 2. Our second best pick is Pioneer Men and Women Bike Seat. If you're looking for a comfortable replacement BMX seat at a great price, this saddle is also a good bet. Designed for both men and women riders, the seat comes optimized to deliver superior comfort without costing you an arm and a leg. One way in which this seat meets your comfort needs is by featuring a hollow-out design. This means it comes with a hollow in the middle that makes it more breathable than standard seats. The high breathability helps relieve you heat and sweat during those long rides. Another thing that makes this seat highly comfortable is the artificial fatty gel it comes with. Compared to the regular plastic polymer, this kind of gel makes you more comfortable by effectively reducing by up to 40% the pressure towards the prostate, sciatic area, and ossa pubis. In other words, you won't suffer any body aches and numbness after riding for long hours sitting on this saddle. Despite the attractive price tag, this seat is well made and looks great on your BMX bike. It's made using durable material and won't easily tear or wear with regular use. Overall, if you want to get a great seat that offers you plenty of comfort without paying a premium, this is it. Number 3. Our third best pick is Planet Bike A.R.S Standard Bike Seat. Here's another unisex, comfort-oriented saddle that comes at a more affordable rate. Like our previously discussed seat, this model also comes with an anatomical groove that runs through the length of the saddle to offer you anatomical relief when sitting on your bike for longer hours. Besides the center recess, this seat also comes with a genuinely thick foam padding that's complemented with sit bone gel padding on top to offer you maximum pressure relief on your hot spots and boost your riding comfort. We like that this seat is designed with longevity in mind. This is evident from its sturdy steel rails and durable plastic shell. Moreover, its cover is made from ultra suede material for maximum resistance against tear, wear, and moisture. The material is also abrasion resistant. At only 393 grams, this is one of the lightest bike seats available. It won't weigh your bike down, so you can rest assured it won't affect your cycling performance and ability to do various stunts and tricks. We can't stress enough how good a choice this Planet Bike A.R.S. A bike seat is for all BMX riders looking for an economical replacement that offers plenty of comfort for painless rides. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is SUNLITE MX Juvenile Saddle. If you're still looking for a comfortable BMX seat at a fair price, this SUNLITE Juvenile saddle will not disappoint you. It comes with heavy padding beneath the soft cover material to offer you plenty of comfort so that you can focus on riding your bike for longer distances. Apart from comfort, this saddle is also designed to hold up to the demanding BMX biking environment. It features an extremely sturdy and robust vinyl material that can withstand repeated impact from your bike. It's also durable and won't split, fade, or peel anytime soon. The cover material is also waterproof to ensure water doesn't get in and damage it. Installing this saddle on your BMX is easy peasy as the package comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, including nut, bolt, and clamp. You'll last a couple of minutes setting it in place. Keep in mind that the seat works with most standard seat posts, so there are high chances it'll work with your BMX. The little saddle measures approximately 9 into 5.5 inches and comes in 3 color options: white, black, and purple, to give you varieties to choose from. If you want a high quality, super comfortable BMX saddle at a great price, go with this SUNLITE MX Juvenile saddle. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Selle Lookin RoyalGel Comfort Bike Saddle. Don't let your current unbearable seat get in your way of hitting your full BMXing potential. The saddle is designed to sit in an upright riding style, making it an excellent choice for cyclists who prefer riding their bikes in an upright position. With a width of 160 mm, this saddle is broad enough to grip between your thighs when doing hands-free tricks. It features a viscous and elastic foam padding that adapts to your body shape, offering you instant pressure relief on your sit bone area. The seat weighs 474 grams, making it incredibly lightweight, and it'll now overburden your bike and/or make it hard for you to do tricks. Also worth mentioning is the silver scuff guards that cover this seat. These not only enhance its looks but also help prevent accidental tear and scratching for maximum longevity of the seat. This is a comfortable, unisex bike seat with an upright riding position and will enable you to ride for extended hours without developing chafing or soreness. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.